everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. I'm getting ready to go into Bath and Body Works to check out the soap sale. It's 2 soaps that I would like to get. Also, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one? If you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos. No matter what your girl put out, you're watching. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, I keep posting. Like I said, I'm at the mall. I'm finna go in here and I'm finna grab a few soaps. Plus I want to see the new floor set. I want to see how they set up the new fall candles, so I want to see that, and really that's it. So let's head in here. I haven't actually been to this store in a while, and probably in a couple of months. Yeah, probably a couple of months. It's been a while since I've been at this one. So let's go in here and let's see what the setup looked like. Let's get it. Okay, as you see, this is some of the new packaging. I just think it's okay. I'm not really blown away by it. It's just okay for me. I love the fact that there's a lot of new scents in the store right now, so I was just trying to enjoy some of that, even though I was here for the soap sale. So let's check out the video, and as you see, they did put out a lot of the new body care as well. I decided to do a demo using some of the fall soaps that they had sitting around the sink, just to try them, just to see what they smell like. This was my first time smelling these, so I just decided to, hey, why not try them before I buy them? Why not? After doing that little demo, I decided to go over and look at some of the new soaps. As you see, some of the packaging is really nice. I really love how clean the labels look. Amazing. Love some of the new scents. I really didn't buy a whole lot of these soaps because I actually have a ton. Not a whole lot, but I got way too many, so I did grab a few. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car. I did grab some soaps. Let's see, and one of the soaps was leaking inside of the doggone basket. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I got Pink Peach Blossom, and actually this is one I think I already have, and I liked it. I couldn't remember if it was this one that I really liked, but I do already have this one, I think. Yes, peaches. This is good. I love this. This is good. And then I did demo this one, this Garden Harvest. I did demo this one. This is actually really nice. Apple, garden mint, and sandalwood. I actually really like this. Surprise. I didn't think I would, but I do. And then I got some more of this. This is just backup. This cranberry one, super good. Love it. So I had to grab more of this one. I said that in my other video when I actually hauled it. And because I like the bergamot and lavender candle, I decided to grab one of the hand soaps. Yes, yes, yes. I decided to grab the sparkling tea and bergamot. Dang. Sparkling tea and bergamot. Decided to grab one of those. The scent note is bergamot, white tea, and jasmine. Most definitely smell the bergamot and the tea. This is good. This isn't like a food. This thing is so slippery and it is so like oily, like, because she wiped all of them down with something. I don't know what that was that she wiped them down with, but it's most definitely slippery. But this most definitely give you more of a cologne like scent. Love it. Sweet mint and rain. Love the color of the bottle. Bamboo, melon, and tea. Bamboo, melon, and tea. Most definitely get that melon. Oh my gosh, this is really strong on the melon part. Dang, I should have grabbed two of these. Of course, it's on my nose. Yeah, I think I really like this. This should have came out in the summer. I don't know if it did because this is the first time I've seen it, but this most definitely will be really good for the spring, summer months. Most definitely get heavy melon. This is good. And then as y'all do know, I did do a demo of this one. This is the wild berry and plum, blueberries, peach, and cinnamon sugar. I didn't get that when I tried this. To me, I didn't get no cinnamon. I didn't get no peach. It mainly smelled like berries to me. But then again, I did demo like 3 things. Yeah, I get a lot of, well, maybe it is a little bit of the peach. But for me, I mainly get the berries in this. So basically, that's all of the soaps that I got on this sale. I kind of want to order some online, but I think I'm gonna pass with an online order, especially since it's a cold. But I'm glad that I was able to grab some more of this this white cranberry one. This smells amazing, amazing, amazing. It is so nice. And the scent notes in this one is the cranberry, jasmine, and blonde oak wood. Cranberry, jasmine, blonde oak wood. So good. So yeah, that was it. Leave in the comments, let me know, did you do the soap sale or was it a pass for you? I think last time they did it, I ordered a few. Sometimes I pass on the soap sales, but I'm starting to get my little soap collection up slowly because y'all know I'm more of a candle girl. I mainly buy more candles than anything from Bath and Body Works, but I am starting to buy more soaps. But I think after this, I'm gonna be passing on sales. I think I'm good for a little bit. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, did you pass or did you get out here and grab some of the new soaps or what? And also leave in the comments, what is your #1 soap that you always run for, or the #1 soap for the fall season that's high up on your wish list? Put that in the comments, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, again, leave comments, and also follow me on Instagram. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.